Hello everyone. Today at ACMEE 2023, I am here in conversation with Mr. NandhaKumar sir, who is the Managing Director of Kalki Automation. Hello sir. Sir, could you please give me a brief on your company?
We are Kalki Automation, Coimbatore. We are a subsidiary of the Kalki Info Community Limited, Thailand. We are focused on developing the affordable sensors for Indian industries. That is focusing on digitalization of industries. Because most of the sensors are getting imported in India, which are all produced at the very high salaried countries. So that those sensors are very expensive. Even it is getting installed on the machines, it does not give the return on investment to the companies, ROI. So that makes that the customers are unable to get install all the sensors and digitalize their system. So we focus on implementing the complete system where the more scope of improvement is there. Example, we target the one primary area. So where exactly in India, 30% of the energy saving is possible. The compressor is one of the area. It is produced by using electricity, using the compressors. But this is consumed in various places across industries, inside the departments, mainly for implementing the automation solutions. Because nowadays, most of the industries are running on automation. So for implementing the automation, so naturally compressor has become lifeline. But this compressor, it is going to the machines and nobody knows how much it is needed and how much it is getting leaked. So because of that, it is not visible to the eyes or whatever the sensor fitted with the human body, we can able to detect that leakages. That makes that people are consuming 30% to 40% extra in industry over the decade. Since affordable sensors were not available, also the technologies were not available, Kalki has developed an airflow meter with the advanced mass thermometer technology. So that sensor is very economical for Indian customers. They can get it installed on each and every machine. The meter also has some intelligence facility. It can able to pick up the machine signals. So it will predict whether the machine is having the leakages or not, machine is having excess consumption or not. So it will give the information through the software so that customer can able to identify which are the machines need action immediately. So various customers, more than 30 plus corporate customers we are already installed. Across India, we have started working since last 7-8 years in India. We have eliminated more than 1,000 compressors of 100 kilowatt. That's a very huge value and saving almost 1 lakh electrical unit per hour in India. So still we are targeting, there is a scope is almost 10 lakh unit per hour can be saved when we are getting installed across all industries. We are going industrial segment by segment. That's why we come to ACMEE. So where we are targeting that machining in automobile industries. So where the lot of compressor is consumed, like the power press, like the CNC machines or sheet metal cutting machine, where the lot of compressor or argon, other oxygen, nitrogens are used, where there is no control or visibility to the end user exactly what it is getting consumed. So by establishing our system, customer will be knowing the losses exactly where it is happening. According to our studies over the last 10 years of data, where we are established and implemented our system successfully, 44% of the losses are taking place at the individual machine-wise leakages. 5-6 years ago, the flow meters were available, unable to install an individual machine, unable to detect the leakages at the machine level. But our advanced mass technology flow meters, the minimum measurement is 1% of the total value. So that helps that even the machine is idle, even a 0.5 CFM or 1 CFM air leakages can be detected and the system give the feedback to the customer. Another 25% of the leakages are happening because of the wrong selection of the compressor or under-utilization of compressor. The customers are choosing the big compressors with full VFD capacity. Some customers are selecting the compressors with the centrifugal or turbo compressors, which are only supplying 30% of the air of its capacity. Those are all leads to huge losses are taking place because of underutilizing the compressor. That is also we have the system to identify those underutilization loss. Another thing is a setting. We need to make some settings in the machines. Those settings are not set according to the requirement. So since it is not digitalized, the management does not have the full control. So we provide a solution. So this is actually the chart where actually almost 80% of the losses are coming from only 3 causes. So we have the complete solution for it where we are working on it. So that is what we are targeting right now. But Kalki is having many sensors like vibration sensor, temperature transmitters, which are all digitally and logically connectable to the IoT systems. And we have the complete software system. It can be connected to the cloud, it can be connected to the local server, so that customer will be getting the big data, automatic analysis, everything through automatic analysis, so that they can able to identify where the problem is happening in micro level. Actually, instead of having accountability, right now in Indian industries, they are going for the accountability. How much I was consuming 10 years ago, how much I am consuming today. They know the problem is there, but they don't know how to solve the problem. they don't have the reason where it is the problems are there. But Kalki is going in the reverse order. We are going to the individual machine wise and we are working on the micro level, so that we are giving this point is consuming this kind is consuming this, so the action is needed at this point, so we are pinpointing that one, so it is giving an actionable information. That's what our key area we are working with.
Thank you so much, sir. The way you portrayed it and the solution that you're giving is really great for the manufacturing sector in India, and all the very best to Kalki Automation. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.